Hello, everybody. Welcome to Your Mentor Radio channel. Today we have Ira Singh with us. So please introduce yourself.
Hello, everybody. My name is Ira Singh, and I'm presently a student of class 12 from the past 1.5 years. And I'm studying at Carmel Convent School, and I have humanities as my stream.
So we are going to have an interview with her today about how is she feeling because of this corona and all COVID. So yeah. So how did you keep yourself motivated through all this? And
So, in the beginning, last year when the lockdown started, it was quite easy to stay motivated because the class 12 had just begun and it wasn't very difficult to concentrate. But as and when time went by, it got really tough, especially with the board exams getting postponed twice. At this stage, it is very difficult to keep ourselves motivated, especially since we're doing the same things over and over again. But now the key is to just wait and hope that the boards happen soon and just revise all the topics and hope that we score very well this time.
yeah, you keep not studying the same thing again and again.
So,
And what do you think is the benefits of this for the average student?
not, I don't particularly believe that this whole situation was a boon for class 12 students because many people do feel that it gave us a lot of time for self study, but I disagree. Everything shifted online and that increased the number of activities we were participating in, and hence it reduced the time for self study even more. But since the board exams got postponed, it really is a very big opportunity for average students to score more since they got over 2 months to prepare for the board exams now. So I think they can improve their scores very well now.
Yeah, because they've been studying this for a very long time
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
What is your personal opinion about all this situation? And like, do you think it has benefited you anyhow?
So I personally feel that the board exam should not get cancelled even now. I feel they should get postponed, especially since my admissions are all merit based and I need those marks. So I want the board exams to take place. And I don't really think it had any major impact on me as in terms of benefit. It was more of a negative thing for me because I had to keep repeating the same things, and that really caused a lot of lack in studies, and it really demotivated me and many of my friends. So not particularly any benefit, but I think now if they announce that the boards will happen soon, I think that'll increase our motivation levels, and I think we'll study even harder now, and maybe the cutoffs go even higher this time then.
Yeah, because I've also seen that past since 1 year the cutoff has been raised a lot.
Yeah.
So what are your plans about future? What are you
So
thinking?
I particularly want to go for BA honors in psychology outside Chandigarh, preferably. But then it all depends on the cutoffs, which are going to go beyond 100, I believe, this time, because last year it was all 100, but now I think it will increase even further, including the marks from sports and everything. So I am interested in psychology for now, but let's see how things progress.
Thank you. It was very good talking to you.
No problem. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah.